Fourth question was about the aerobic, I think it's called aerobic cube, and the one with the colors. So there is a way of doing it in a very quick fashion, and he's asking, is this permissible to do, and can I spend time doing it, and how much time is permissible? Well, if we look back at your wiswas, at your acquiring knowledge of aqeedah and fiqh, and compare it to this, then this is a little bit shaky. People should not waste their time on things that bring no benefit to them. So, okay, you can solve it in like 5 seconds. So what? You can solve it blindfolded. So what? This is nothing to be proud of. It's not something that would get you closer to Allah. If it's a hobby that you're doing while maybe not watching, not concentrating, yes. But if you invest time in it and it has no value, I don't think that this is appropriate. Would it be permissible to listen to lectures? There's no problem in listening to lectures while doing it, as long as you're attentive to what is being said in the lecture, inshallah.